Hey guys, my name is Joe Crypto, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite centralized exchanges called Bitget. Right now in the market, we're starting to see lots of bullish signals, and I believe altcoin season is coming really soon. That's why I believe it's really important to choose the right centralized exchange for you, because it's a big part of crypto right now in Web3, because you have to on-ramp the money, basically put the money into crypto, and also have to cash out your money, aka off-ramp. And for this purpose, I use Bitget because they have lots of great features. They have all the latest tokens. They have all the safety features, copy trading. So this is basically what I'm going to show you in today's video. But before that, I need to remind you that financial advisor, this video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
As I mentioned, today I'm talking about a centralized crypto exchange called Bitget. And actually, if you take a look at the market right now, Bitget is number 4 in the world in centralized exchange list, which again is really impressive. You can see it was launched in April 2018, so this is an OG exchange. And of course, you can trust these exchanges because they have been to the bull runs, the bear markets, and they are still here. And you can see in the past 24 hours, trading volume on Bitget was around $17 billion. Also, they have 800 plus different cryptocurrencies, 45 plus million registered users, and also over 180,000 elite traders you can actually copy. And by the way, if you want to sign up for the Bitget, you can find the link in the description. They're always offering a great bonus. And of course, if you use my link, you're helping the channel. You can see right now they have a sign up bonus of $6,200. Of course, sign up using my link. Next up, if you scroll down, you can see all the other great features Bitget is offering. So the first one is popular coins. And actually, this is really great right now, because more and more new crypto projects are launching straight on CEXs, centralized exchanges. And of course, if you want to buy, sell, and trade these tokens, you have to be on the right exchange. And Bitget is usually really quick to launch these tokens, to list these tokens. And this gives you opportunity to actually start trading token the first day it's launched. And usually these new tokens have lots of price action in the first few days. So this gives you a good opportunity of actually making some good gains. Next up, this exchange was one of the first, if not the first, to actually introduce copy trading, and they have an incredible option of elite traders you can actually copy. I will show you how it works a bit later in the video. So as I mentioned, they have over 180,000 traders you can copy, and you can see the followers PNL is over $500 million. Again, incredible numbers. And what's really bullish about this platform is super easy to use. I will show you later how it all looks from the inside, because of course I have my account also. If you scroll down, you can see some additional features. So the first one is fiat, over 140 different fiat currencies supported. So this means it's going to be really easy to exchange your local money to different cryptocurrencies, USDT, Bitcoin, any of these tokens. Next up, you can, of course, trade. It's an exchange. So you can trade futures, spot, margin, and bots. And you can earn. Actually, I have a full video about Bitget earn features. I will leave it in the description. You can see the thumbnail somewhere around here. And after that, we have some other Web3 features. So they have the NFTs, they have their wallet, they have amazing app. Actually, the app is really great for the beginners because it's really easy to find every feature, every functionality on your screen. And lastly, of course, I want to talk about safety and security, because in the past few years, we had some issues with centralized exchanges. But of course, this is why I'm talking about Bitget, because it's an OG exchange. They have been tested. They never had issues, and they have lots of safety protocols. First of all, Bitget offers leading proof of reserve ratio and the second largest security fund amongst all CEXs. The Bitget Protection Fund is currently valued at $400 million plus, and it's readily available in Bitcoin. Also, Bitget is fully transparent. All the assets are stored in 7 wallet addresses that are publicly available for the users. And as I mentioned, if we compare it to other exchanges, Bitget is leading in the proof of reserve ratio. And of course, they offer $400 million plus protection fund. So if you compare it, for example, to BingX, they have no additional fund. If you compare it to OKX, they have 1-to-1 proof of ratio. And compare it to Bitget, who has 1 to 1.6 proof of reserve ratio, which is actually industry leading. And even if we compare it to Binance, or for example, Bybit, they only have 1-to-1 proof of reserve ratio. So basically, you can see Bitget is leading in the safety and security. Also, they have the biggest reserves, and they even have one of the biggest protection funds in the industry. So you can see your money is safe with Bitget. And I also wanted to mention that Bitget has the biggest partnerships in the industry. For example, they had a big partnership with Lionel Messi. I covered it on my channel, who was, of course, one of the greatest, if not the greatest, soccer player of all time. And right now, they entered a new deal with the La Liga. And actually, it's a really huge deal for Bitget, and I think for the overall market. And I think with this deal, Bitget will grow even faster, more users, more features, and more utilities. So you can see Bitget is not stopping and adding more and more to this exchange. So this is just a quick intro of the features and the platform. But now let's jump into my account and I'll show you how it all looks from the inside. So once you log in, you can see how it all looks. We have all the popular cryptocurrencies. We have the top volume, the top gainers, newly listed tokens. Basically, you can see what's hot right now in the markets. You can also see some of the featuring copy trading accounts, but I want to show you how actually copy trading works. So you can click copy right here. Let's click copy and overview. This will show you an overview of full copy trading, I would say, dashboard, because we have different copy trading options. You can see right here, we have futures copy trading, we have spot copy trading, and we have bot copy trading. And again, if you scroll down, we get information about different traders. You can see spot and the futures, and you get information about the last 30-day ROI. So you can see the percentage. You can see if you click on these traders, you get more information, basically what they did. So basically how many trades, for example, trading frequency, follower PNL, and the performance. So basically you can pick the traders you want to copy and of course copy trade them. It's extremely easy. You can see you have settings for 90 days, 100 days. So you can actually, of course, filter out traders you want to copy, and you can click copy and start copying these traders. And it's one of the reasons why people like Bitget, because they have really great copy trading features. Next up, we have, of course, all the trading features. We have the margin, we have the basic convert, basically just convert the crypto. You can see how it looks. Just pick cryptos and convert. Again, beginner friendly. We have the futures. Again, I have a full video about futures on my channel. After that, we have the bots. So you can actually set up different trading bots. We have the earn features, and actually they have so many. And as I mentioned, I have a full video talking about all the different earn features. And actually, these are really cool. I really like them. They're really addictive, and there's many ways you can actually make money using them. After that, we have the Web3 features. We have the Launch Hub. Basically, this is their Launchpad. And if you've been in crypto, you probably know what it means. Launchpad means platform where new projects launch. In my opinion, once we have the altcoin season, which is, in my opinion, pretty soon, we will have so many 50, 20, maybe 100x projects launching on these Launchpads. So it's really important to actually learn how to use it. Again, we have the pre-market, we have the Launchpad, we have the Launch Pool, Pool X. All of these are different, but they have different utilities and features. So guys, just to recap, I believe this is a really cool platform. It's really easy to use to buy crypto from the fiat, from the dollars. You can see you can buy with a bank deposit, you can buy using cards. Also, it's really great if you want to cash out your crypto, exchange it to your local currency and cash out to your bank or your card. Also, they have all the latest tokens you can trade. And of course, right now we have so many projects. So it's really important to be early to start trading and of course, making the money. Also, they have the copy trading, they have the bots, they have the earn features, Web3. So basically they have everything you ever need from the centralized exchange. And what's great, they're also really safe. So guys, you can use my link in the description, sign up. And of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram in description or top comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.
Get money.